Contrary to a standard grill, a rotisserie grill allows you to do stress-free cooking. You can leave the lid closed and let your roast grill slowly while entertaining your guests. The steady spinning motion ensures that each part of the food item is cooked evenly without burning. With a rotisserie, you do not have to do the tedious constant turning of large roasts as in a standard grill. Just come back occasionally to check if the roast is ready. For large cuts, such as leg of lamb, pork loins, tri-tip, and whole poultry, a grill with a rotisserie makes it incredibly easy and guarantees evenly cooked and juice roasts. Rotisseries are not available for every type of grill. However, for those grills that do not include a rotisserie device, there are rotisserie kits and motors that you can buy. Just check if they are compatible with your grill. Rotisserie grilling is a slow cooking process. Also, you will need to consider the time that you are going to spend from the preparation of the food when you are planning on using just your rotisserie grill for all your outdoor cooking. A grill with a rotisserie motorized, built-in or attached is becoming increasingly popular. Many newer gas grills such as the Weber Summit S460 come standard with a rotisserie device. A rotisserie is a key player to incredibly succulent roasts of all kinds, such as leg of lamb, ribs, whole turkey, whole and fried chicken, ham, fish, kebabs, and vegetables. The constant turning of a rotisserie guarantees juicy, succulent, and evenly cooked food items. Rotisserie grilling involves a hot chamber that has either a hand-operated or motorized rotating skewer where food is placed. Forks or prolongs can be appended to a rod or spit to firmly hold food items in place. Rotisserie cooking is done using a gas grill and rotisserie attachment kit. The kit is easy to mount and can be done using charcoal and wood. The cooking method includes sticking a piece of meat on a rotating spit to expose all its sides to heat. The rotisserie ensures that juices and spices stay inside. With the horizontal method of rotisserie cooking, you can ensure all the juices and spices stay inside the meat throughout the process. You can continue to roll the meat through the rotation process and easily cook the meat without worrying about the meat losing its moisture. One of the major benefits of rotisserie cooking is that it allows the excess fat and grease to drain off during the vertical rotation process. The meat is cooked evenly in less fat. You can also steam the meat from the inside and marinate it for better result.